What's good YouTube? Welcome back sa channel, Jacob Alava. And kung bago kayo dito, this channel is all about fitness, health, lifestyle, and self-development. So today, gym dayo tayo sa MNLA Fitness or Manila Fitness. Kasama natin sina Coach Robbie, my friend Mick, and si Coach David. So kung OG subscribers kayo, nakita nyo na sila sa mga dati nating videos. It's nice to catch up with them. Just a quick update. May mga iba akong ginawa recently. Alam nyo naman, nag-cut ako for 19 weeks, diba? Yung caffeine tolerance ko sobrang taas. That's why I decided to quit caffeine cold turkey. So what an experience. Sobrang daming withdrawals. Pero nasa 14th day na tayo, nakaka 2 weeks na tayo without caffeine. Gagawa ko ng video yon in case interested kayo. Maraming withdrawal effects and one of them was insomnia. So di ako makatulog, medyo mababa yung energy ko. So I decided to upgrade my mattress. So yan yung old mattress ko before, and now this is the new one. This is called the Emma Sleep Mattress. Sobrang okay niya guys kasi sobrang lambot niya and it's firm. Para siyang hotel quality na mattress. So I got the queen sized for my bed and talagang nakatulong siya sa tulog ko. Actually yung first time ko nga siyang gamitin, sobrang tagal bago ako bumangon. It's firm pero it sucks you in. So pag nakahiga ka, talagang sobrang comfortable, takes the shape of your body. It really made a difference sa quality of sleep ko. Based pa lang on the few days na nagamit ko siya. Pwede ka magpatong ng drinks dito. So I got a cup of decaf coffee kasi nga wala akong caffeine and pinatong ko siya dito and hindi siya madaling matapon. So that's one thing na gusto ko dito sa mattress na to. So guys, kung interested kayo sa ganitong mattress, they have a 100-day money-back guarantee kung gusto nyo siyang itry, and I suggest that you try it. Sobrang okay niya. I also have a discount code. It's Jacob10. You can use it for 10% off. May discount na sila sa website. So if you use my code, may discount pa kayo on top of the discount they have on their website. I really enjoy this mattress. I love it so much. And let's get to our pre-workout meal. Coach Rob, dito tayo sa Manila Fitness. MNLA Fitness.
MNLA Fitness.
MNLA Fitness. So we're gonna be doing a back and shoulder workout. Namiss niyo ba si Rob? Sobrang namiss ko siya.
Hindi na 3 years.
3 years, no? Since yung mga tutorial videos namin. So ngayon, buhat lang, enjoy lang, and enjoy the vlog. Okay guys, so first back workout natin. Well, warm up siya. I like to do pull-ups para din lang ma-warm up yung lats ko, yung back ko. Kasi yung first working movement natin, gagawin natin yung chest supported back machine. Chest supported row. So maganda dito kasi it takes the stress off your lower back. So warm up muna tayo, 1 plate. So pack your chest dito. Give the full stretch. 1, 2, 3. Full squeeze kasi yung rhomboid stretch na tamaan natin. Tapos eccentric, slow, down, stretch, squeeze. Squeeze. So, tanggalin natin yung pump covers. Tapos workout tayo maayos. Oh, yeah! Nag-ganun di. Oh, yeah! Natin si Sir Edward, siya may-ari ng MNLA Fitness. Swerte natin na meet natin siya. So, he'll just invite you guys, dalo kayo dito.
Salamat pala, tsaka shoutout sa lahat na nanonood kay Sir Jacob. Tapos salamat din sa pagdalaw. Iniimbitahan ko kayo lahat. Located to sa 2126 Apolinario Mabini, MNLA Fitness. Pwede nyo rin kaming i-follow sa Facebook, sa IG, MNLA Fitness, yun. Makikita nyo rin dun yung address namin. Tapos, yung rates, pwede nyo kami i-directly PM sa Facebook Messenger namin. So,
sulit yung rates, guys, ha? Sulit yung rates. Sir Edward, thank you, ha?
Salamat. Salamat.
Visit kayo, MNLA Fitness. Kita tayo, kwentuhan, and I'll see you guys here. Okay, so next workout natin, isolated row. So, chest supported din siya. Gusto ko to kasi mas na-target ko talaga yung lats ko. Nafe-feel ko. Lalo na if I hold it for 1 second sa dulo, tapos slow and controlled eccentric pabalik. Maganda rin dito is, maganda yung flow ng machine. Talagang nararamdaman mo talaga siya. So we're gonna be doing 3 sets of these, tapos after that mag-shoulders na kami. Spread your wings and fly, go! So next workout natin, we're gonna be doing shoulder press, seated shoulder press. So yung angle ng bench, hindi siya directly up, hindi siya 90 degrees. Para matamaan talaga natin yung front delts natin. Tapos when we press, 45 degrees up and down. So this is our warm-up set. Hindi ko na siya kakount sa set, pero mga 5 to 6 reps. Let's go! Slow and controlled. Brace core, feet planted, press. Neck out, head out. kg, try natin. 5 reps. Try lang. No guarantees. Let's go. Let's go! Spread your wings and fly. Go! Shoulder workout, side raises. So, common problem na nakikita ko, ginaganyan ng mga tao. Swing nila ganyan. What you want to do is place it in front of you. Slow and controlled. Raise, medyo front. Control it. Pwedeng pinky up. Basta huwag lalagpas yung dumbbells sa shoulder, sa elbows. So, huwag ganyan. Daming nagaganyan eh. Parang pakpak ng manok. What you want to do is slow and controlled. Control, pababa. Chest out. Bicep curls lang tayo. Seated. Tapos control nyo lang yung negatives. Simple movement. Supinated tayo the entire time. Tapos don't move your elbows. Diyan lang siya sa place na. Negative. Like eccentric for 3 seconds. Last na ako. Last one lang. Workout, triceps, last workout na natin. So we're gonna be targeting the short head. Ako kulang kasi ako dito eh. Ganyan ako. So, dumami dito. So, overhead tricep extensions na. Spread
fly, go.
So guys, kasama rin natin si Coach David.
Hello guys.
Kung naalala nyo sa vlog natin, kasama siya dun sa, link ko na lang yung video, pero kasama natin siya dun. Solid, na-miss kita pare.
Sobra ako din. Supportahan natin si Jacob sa vlog niya. Yan. Tsaka marami tayong
Mr.
matutunan.
Pang-romansa. Pero next time kami naman mag-vlog.
Thank you, Jake.
So guys, yun yung workout. It was a back and shoulder day. If you wanna try it out, try nyo. Tapos dalaw kayo dito sa MNLA Fitness. Napaka-solid. Ganda. Kompleto yung gym. I really enjoyed the back machines. Lalo na yung chest supported row. So yun, si Coach Robbie is a trainer now here. So I'm yung coach. Coach D.
So and sana madalas nang pumisita sa atin si Coach Jake kasi alam naman natin na matagal siyang nag-workout alone sa home gym niya. Hopefully, lagi na siyang nandito sa MNLA.
Hopefully. So you might see me more sa gym na.
So if you want to talk to him, diba, ask him about more of his personal life.
Go, personal life.
MNLA, though.
See you guys.
Spread your wings and fly, go.
So guys, sobrang solid ng experience. MNLA Fitness, visitahan nyo. Okay yung mga machines nila, okay yung mga equipment nila. So I hope you enjoy if you do visit. Bye guys!
Bye!
Tapos na kami, so just gonna head home. Tapos share ko sa inyo yung final meal. And baka may snack pa later. So see ya! Dinner, last meal, 355 grams of chicken. Tapos baka mag-weigh pa ako later. And I'm gonna be putting this seasoning. This one is called roasted garlic asiago. Yeah, so para may lasa naman yung chicken natin. Then I'll probably have mga 200 grams of rice, tapos maybe a chocolate bar or something. Flexible maintenance lang para stay within my cost, keep pa rin yung condition. So I cook my chicken 200 degrees Celsius tapos 10 minutes. So yun lang, tapos juicy na siya, masarap na siya. Air fryer is the way to go kung wala pa kayo. Get yourself one, investment talaga. So sa final meal, we have 150 grams of rice. We have chicken breast, 355 grams, and saging na saba. Sarap pala nito na tinola to, no? Nilaga ang saging na saba. Sarap. So you just track that normally as a banana. So yun, I'm gonna sign off here guys. Pretty tired, had a good day. And dadalasan ko yung visit ko sa MNLA Fitness. Makakasama natin ulit sina Robbie, sina Mick, sina David. Probably invite sina Grant and sina Von over also. So ayun, see you guys in the next vlog.